respected principal and all the staff members of Training Academy and my dear friends. First of all, very challenging good morning to all of you. This is Miss Simran Khetwal from class 4. Today I am standing here to command this morning assembly. Today you all know, today is Tuesday, so today's prayer is Hanuman Chalisa. I request to all students, join your hands, go ahead. Prayer now start. Pray, sing loudly and correctly. Good morning, all of you. My name is Yogesh Kumar from class 4. My story is like that. Do not stop and I'm giving my story once again. Start properly. My start. And one go much. Thank you. My senior friend.
Honorable Chairman sir, respected principal and all the hardworking teachers of Uttarakhand and my dear friends, first of all, very charming good morning to all of you. Myself, Lalit Mehta from class 9. Today I am standing here to deliver my news headline. My first news from international. Donald Trump said that India traffic hit Russia economic. That was a big blow. My next news from national. Terrorists, two soldiers killed in Jammu and Kashmir, Kulgam, Operation Army. My next news from sports. Yesterday was PKL match between Haryana and Bengaluru. Bengaluru beat by 9 runs. My next news from economic. CSU Bank write off loan over 5.82 lakh crore in last 5 year financials. My next news from Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand police arrested women recover MDMA drugs of 10 crore near the India-Nepal border. My next news from temperature. Today the temperature of Bageshwar is 70 degrees Celsius and mostly sunny. Thank you very much.
Senior for article.
कर्मणि वादितारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफल हेतु भूर्मा ते संगोष्ठः कर्मणि मीनिंग तुम्हारा कर्म करने में ही अधिकार है, फल में नहीं, इसलिए कर्म फल का हेतु मत बनो और ना ही कर्म ना करने में तुम्हारी आसक्ति हो. With this slope of Gita, Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the worthy staff of Strand Academy and my dear friends. Good morning to one and all present here. I am Udit from class 9 here to talk about how to turn any failure into a learning opportunity. We have all been there, that sinking feeling in your stomach when something you worked hard for falls apart. Maybe you missed a deadline, flunked a test, lost a big deal, or messed up a personal goal. In the moment, failure can feel like a dead end, but in reality, it's one of the most powerful teachers you will ever have. Thomas Edison famously said, "I have not failed. I have found 10,000 ways that won't work." This mindset is the key to transforming failure into something far more valuable, a learning opportunity. So now I will talk about some steps if you ever fail. Firstly, change your perspective. See failure as a feedback, not defeat. Shift from "I failed" to "I learned what doesn't work." The second thing you have to do is identify what was wrong. Every failure leaves behind clues. Check for the root cause. Was it bad timing, poor planning, or the wrong approach? Third, extract the lessons. Ask yourself, who can guide me? What can I do properly? Or who am I? And at last, create an action plan. Create an action plan by transforming your failure into learning opportunity or something you will later on use in life. So at last, we have arrived at our conclusion. Failure isn't the opposite of success; it's a part of it. Every setback is a classroom. So learn the lesson, adjust your plan, and move stronger ever than before. That's it for today. Thank you.
Respected Principal Ma'am, all the hardworking teacher for Strand Academy and my dear friend, first of all, start me good morning all of you. My name is Yogen Singh Khekar, behalf of class 4. The question topic is the Southern Plateau. My first question is, my next question is, are the main occupation of the people of Tamil Nadu? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Question is, the Godavari and Krishna are the main rivers follows through the second. The Godavari and Krishna are the main rivers follows the correct answer is state. Question is Karnataka has gold mine at near. Answer is correct. The correct answer is Bengaluru. My next question is the southern plateau are covered the large part of. I repeat my question once again. The southern plateau are covered the large part of India. My next question is lies to south of. Repeat your answer. No, your answer is wrong. No, your answer is wrong. The correct answer is Maharashtra. Thank you. Have a nice day. So now I would like to call Swayam. Academy and my dear friend, first of all, good morning, I love you. My name is Sakshita from class UKG. Today my Hindi poem is एक चिड़िया के बच्चे चार. I will like to call Lakshmi ma'am to motivate us.
Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the worthy teachers and my dear friends and my lovely kids, good morning all of you. Good morning ma'am. Today I am presenting here to recite a thought like that. There are four rules of learning. First is listening, contemplating, reasoning and questioning. By these rules, we learn quickly and our knowledge remain permanent. I repeat once again. There are four rules of learning: listening, contemplating, reasoning and questioning. By these rules, we learn quickly and our knowledge remain permanent. हिंदी मीनिंग, सीखने के 4 नियम हैं. फर्स्ट सुनना, मनन करना, तर्क करना और प्रश्न पूछना. इन नियमों के माध्यम से हम बहुत जल्दी सीख पाते हैं और हमारा ज्ञान स्थायी रहता है. It means if you listen any concept carefully, then you able to contemplating on it, reasoning about it, questioning about it. Second is think deeply. It's you have think deeply what you have listened, your knowledge is permanent. And analyze any concept carefully yourself whether is wrong or right. By questioning, your knowledge remain permanent. तो प्यारे बच्चों, अगर हमने कोई चीज़ हमेशा के लिए अपना स्थायी नॉलेज, अपना ज्ञान हमेशा के लिए गेन करना है, तो सबसे पहले हमने रटना छोड़ना है. और सामने से अगर हम कोई भी टॉपिक पे बात हो रही है या किसी भी टॉपिक को हमें समझाया जा रहा है, सबसे पहले हमें अपने आप में सुनने की क्षमता को बढ़ाना होगा. सबसे पहले हमें सुनना सीखना होगा. जब हम ध्यान से सुनेंगे तभी हमारे दिमाग में फिर हम उस चीज़ को मनन करेंगे कि हमें आज क्या सुनाया गया है, इसका क्या मतलब है. नवोदय में आती है और घोड़ा खाल के पेपर में आती है. जब हम किसी भी जॉब वाली जो स्तर में जाने के लिए कोई भी पेपर देते हैं तो तर्क संगत उसमें पूछा जाता है कि यह सही है या गलत है. ये हमें खुद से अपने दिमाग में ये एनालाइज करना है कि यह तर्क सही होगा या गलत होगा. एट लास्ट अगर हमने ये सारी चीज़ें तैयार कर ली हैं तब हमारे दिमाग में एक क्वेश्चन बन पाएंगे कि ये है तो क्यों है, अगर ऐसा है तो किस लिए है. अगर हम इन चीज़ों पर फोकस करेंगे तो हमें रटना नहीं पड़ेगा और हमारा नॉलेज हमेशा के लिए स्थायी रहेगा. धन्यवाद.
First of all, wish you a pleasant morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, all the respected teachers and my dear students. Very, very good morning to all. So, well children, I'm hoping that all you will be fine today. Are you all fine? That's good. Okay, coming to the point that today's assembly, firstly, I will like to appreciate the class 5th and 4th students and very well the Hanuman Chalisa they sung here. And it's very tough to continue just recite it. So, but good performance. Clap for all the students and the teachers who taught this Hanuman Chalisa to them. And all the students must try to practice this Hanuman Chalisa at home. It's a very nice prayer. And next thing is that the thought need to be practiced more. Yogesh, right? And news headlines. And after that, article. As article Muddy Chandra has present, कि failure is not the opposite of success, it's the parts of success only. Okay, so nice article and good presentation, but you required some pause and that when you are saying don't go speedily, but the way was good. Clap for him also. And next GK question, as the GK question, it should be clear already. I have many times told you, please teachers, one time you check the students what type of the questions they are bringing, especially the southern plateaus he brought, but I'm thinking it is a one lesson chapter, and he made the question from inside of this only, just like a multiple choice questions are there, and he made this. But he know, you tell the junior kids especially ki how to form the questions, okay? And next thing is that poems, that is also good. And the teacher's motivational speech, okay, as ma'am told you what are the 4 rules of the your success. And some, those who are the winner, gram pradhans and kshetra panchayat, that member, they visited yesterday in our Uttarayan Academy, and because they won these elections, and they are going to make the good planning for the development of these areas. So that's why on this happy occasion for us also and to them also, so they have today, for all those children of Uttarayan Academy, they are going to distribute. They brought the sweets yesterday, but the time was less, so that's why we are going to distribute these sweets today. And so all of you clap, and clap for them, those who are that trying to work for our area, and we are also hoping that they will do better for our areas, and we will also support to them. So today this much only, and thank you. Have a nice day.
Immense respected principal, ma'am, all the staff member of Uttarayan Academy, and my dear friend. First of all, very charming good morning to all of you. My name is Nandini Khetwal. On behalf of class 4, today I am standing here to say the pledge. Get ready for pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country, and I am proud of its region, very heritage. I shall always strive to be a loyal and worthy citizen of it. I shall show respect to my parents, teachers, and elders. I shall show kindness to animals, to my country, and my people. I place my devotion in their happiness and prosperity. Along their happiness, may God give our countrymen peace and prosperity. Jai Hind. Bharat Mata Ki. Bharat Mata Ki. Bharat Mata Ki. Thank you. Have a nice day. Classes sanity. Attention.